Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a clean, low mileage vehicle? Maybe a one owner? This might be it. This is the 2013, the Ford Edge. Stock number is 7344A. And as I told you about low mileage, how about only 58,000 miles on this 2013 Edge? Take notice of the exterior condition. I'm just gonna go do the walk around with you. And we're going to put you here in the rear. We're going to show you all the ample room. Cargo, if you're traveling, maybe you need the luggage in the rear. As you can see, you have ample room there. And now we're going to show you the interior here in just a second. Lots of legroom for friends and family, as you can see right there. Leather, loaded. Can't get over the mileage. Dual moonroof, of course, as you can see. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you into the driver's seat. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length, as you can see right here. For more information on warranty protection for life at no extra cost to you, we'll explain that to you by giving us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you, hopefully earning your business on this 2013 Ford Edge. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.